Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one more problem which is based on the integral of the form linear upon under root quadratic. Let us start with problem number 9. Integral 3x plus 4 upon under root x square minus 2x plus 3. Here we can start writing numerator, that is 3x plus 4, as a into d by dx of x square minus 2x plus 3 plus b. 3x plus 4 will be equal to a into derivative of x square is 2x minus 2 into derivative of x is 1 plus the derivative of 3 will be 0. On further solving, 3x plus 4 is equal to 2ax minus 2a plus b. Therefore, on comparing, 2a will be equal to 3 and minus 2a plus b will be equal to 4. Here the value of a will be 3 upon 2, and substituting a as 3 by 2, we have minus 2 into 3 upon 2 plus b is equal to 4. 2 will be cancelled. Minus 3 plus b is equal to 4. B will be 4 plus 3. Therefore, the value of b will be 7. Now let us substitute a and b in this equation. This will give you 3x plus 4 as 3 upon 2 into 2x minus 2 plus 7. Now let us substitute the value of 3x plus 4 in the given integral I. I will be integral 3 upon 2 into 2x minus 2 plus 7 upon under root x square minus 2x plus 3 dx. Now let us separate this denominator to both the terms present in the numerator. This will give you integral 3 upon 2 into 2x minus 2 upon under root of x square minus 2x plus 3 plus 7 upon under root x square minus 2x plus 3 dx. On separating integrals, we have 3 upon 2 constant from the first part into 2x minus 2 upon under root x square minus 2x plus 3 plus 7 integral 1 upon under root x square minus 2x plus 3 dx. The first integral is in the form of integral f dash x upon f of x in the square root. That will give you 3 upon 2 into 2 under root f of x, that is x square minus 2x plus 3 plus 7, considering this integral as I1. Here 2 will be cancelled and I is equal to 3 into under root x square minus 2x plus 3 plus 7 times I1. Let us take it as equation number 1. Now we will solve the value of I1. I1 is given as integral 1 upon under root x square minus 2x plus 3 dx. Here the value of third term is half into coefficient of x the whole square, that is half into coefficient of x is minus 2 the whole square. 2 will be cancelled and we have minus 1 left, and minus 1 square is plus 1. Therefore I1 will be integral 1 upon under root x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 1 followed by plus 3. We can reduce these three terms as 1 upon under root x minus 1 the whole square, and minus 1 plus 3, that is plus 2, can be written as plus root 2 the whole square dx. Now we can compare this integral with the standard formula 1 upon under root x square plus a square dx, which is equal to log of x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. Here, as you can see, the value of x is x minus 1 and the value of a is under root 2. Therefore, I1 becomes log of x minus 1 plus under root x minus 1 square plus a square, that is root 2 square, which is 2, plus c. Let us substitute I1 in equation number 1. Equation number 1 was I is equal to 3 into under root x square minus 2x plus 3 plus 7 into I1. Therefore, the final answer is I is equal to 3 under root x square minus 2x plus 3 plus 7 into I1 is log of x minus 1 plus under root x minus 1 the whole square plus 2 plus c. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda.